to school. Time to set up my classroom. Sorry for my singing. It's happening, guys. It's happening. I'm here. It's time. Meep. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. I'm at school. First day back. Setting up my classroom. This is gonna be fun. I have to empty my car. And then I'm not actually gonna start setting up my classroom today because me and my two partner teachers are meeting to do some planning. I think classroom setup is going to actually start tomorrow. But I'll give you like a little camera of before and after. I'm excited. Last year, setting up my classroom video was my fave. So super excited. I made some stuff last night, but I'm gonna go inside now. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. This room. And this room. End of day one. This is all we have. That. This. Sending a video to my mother. This blackboard we painted. This blackboard we painted. And that one is starting to be painted. And we moved our carpet. Hi. I'm in my classroom. The mess behind me. It's almost 3, which means it's almost time to go. Brought my Cricut in. We're organizing. Oh my god. We painted the bulletin boards. Started putting up the marble paper. That's gonna be black. I have so much to do. I have tomorrow and then half a day on Friday. We're so far behind. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully I can actually vlog this year. I'm sharing a room with a partner, so vlogging is a little bit awkward, but hopefully I can get some done this year, and hopefully I'll get some done tomorrow as well as Friday, so you guys can see a little bit more of what I'm actually doing in my classroom. I have so much to do, and it's getting ridiculous, but I'm gonna get kicked out now, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning. It is currently 8:30. I just got to school. This is a disaster. I haven't vlogged at all this week because this year I'm sharing a classroom with 2 other teachers. Well, we have 2 classrooms, but I'm sharing this room with 1 teacher, and the other classroom is like an open room. Anyway, and when they're here, it's kind of awkward to vlog, so I haven't been able to, but I'll show you what we have done. We painted that blackboard, and we painted those blackboards. This is they're like bulletin boards. That's a chalkboard, both of those, and one of them is getting covered in marble contact paper. See? There's also marbles going up there. I brought more marble contact paper as well. And then these are like those sliding blackboards like I had in my classroom last year, which that all needs to get organized. And that's just gonna stay black with bulletin board, like borders. And then there's this, that's gonna be all black. My library is all on the carpet over there, if you can see it. And I have my U-table. We haven't really figured out how we want to set up tables yet, but we do have 3 carpets. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. But that's gonna be our like reading nook, And then these are our 2 carpets for kids to sit on. So, I've got lots of stuff to do. I have today and tomorrow, and then that's it. The good thing about being in a classroom with 2 other teachers is like I have a teaching partner, but I'm kind of like OCD when it comes to setting up my room, and I haven't been able to get a lot done. Like last year by Thursday I was pretty much done everything, and today we have like literally nothing done. So I came in extra early today so I can get some work done before my teaching partners come in, so that less chit chat happens, more stuff gets put up. So I'm gonna start doing that now, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Sorry, I'm out of breath, I'm talking fast. But yes, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. Finished the marble walls. They're not even, but whatever. I'm gonna put bulletin borders up now, and then whatever's left over, I'm gonna put up there. But so far, this is what we got going. And it's only been 20 minutes. Thank God. Hello. Okay, I'm back, and I am just cutting some letters on my Cricut, but let me show you what the room looks like so far. So we have our science and social studies. That's going to be a schedule and house board. This is a WOW work board. That's our math and language. Up there it says dream big, work hard, stay kind. And then this is our calendar wall, and then this is going to be our Instagram wall and important things wall. So that's what the classroom looks like so far. It's coming together. It looks a lot better. I'm just cutting out words for our reading nook back there for a little sign, and I will show you what that looks like once I'm done. Got lots of stuff done today, but still not even close, and I only have 2 hours left. So gotta get down. So I got the Who Run the World readers up. This is all done, and I'm currently cutting emojis so I can put them on the door. They look so cute. So I'm just cutting out my partner teachers' Bitmoji so I can stick those babies on the door before I leave today. And then that will bring us until probably around 2. And then I have an hour to kind of clean up and do some other last minute kind of things. So far, so good. My Cricut is cutting stuff now, but I'm pretty sure that's all I'm gonna get done today. Yeah, I'll try to check in with you guys tomorrow to show you like the final thing before Tuesday morning. Bye. All you hear is like my shoes. I'm gonna take the volume out.